Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix your start menu which is not working in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is look at your keyboard and press Control Alt and Delete key or Control Shift and Escape key. Control Shift and Escape key. The Escape key is in short, which is ESC, where you can see there aligning your function keys. Okay, once you have successfully opened your Task Manager, proceed to the left side of your screen. It has this processes. Go with Apps and then look for Windows Explorer. So if you don't see your Windows Explorer application under the apps, go with background processes or you can go with this search tool. Use this by typing Windows Explorer. Then the moment you've typed that, you will be able to see your file explorer, a Windows Explorer, sorry. Then do a right click and go with restart. Okay? Select it, do a right click and go with restart. Once you have restarted your Windows Explorer, check if your start menu is now working. Okay? And let's see if it doesn't, then let's move on to the second step, which is aligning the taskbar. Do a right click and go for taskbar settings. Okay, so once you have opened your taskbar settings, scroll down and look for this taskbar behaviors, which contains the alignment, budging, automatically hide, and multiple displays. Click this down arrow to see of this. And then here you look for automatically hide the taskbar and checked and unchecked it. And once done, close this window and check if your start menu is now working. Okay? And let's see if it doesn't, then let's move on to the third step, which is we need to search for PowerShell. At the bottom search bar, type PowerShell. Go with the best match which states Windows PowerShell and go with Run as Administrator. The moment you've clicked it, your user account control will ask you to say yes. Just go with yes so that you will be redirected here. Here we'll be inputting a command, don't worry because I'll be pasting this in the description box below. Just simply copy this, Control C to copy and Control V to paste it. Okay, once you have pasted it, simply click on enter to proceed. So just have to wait until the process is done. This will fix your problem issues in your computer like start menu not working. Once done, simply close this window and you need to restart your computer. Okay? So once you have relaunched your computer, check if your start menu is now working. Okay? And let's see if it doesn't, then let's bound to the last step, which is you need to press again the Control Alt keys in your keyboard. Again, Control Alt Delete keys, sorry, or the Control Shift and Escape keys in your keyboard to open your task manager once again. Once you have opened it, expand it first to see things clearly and go for the left side of your screen. This time you need to go for details and then once you have opened the details, select anywhere of this and type S to be able to see all the options starting with S. Here you need to go with Start Menu Experience, do a right click and go with End Task. The moment you click End Task, it will be automatically installed again in a few seconds, okay? So once done, simply close this window and check your start menu if it's working or responding now in your computer or Windows. Okay? So hopefully those steps, important steps, help you to fix your problem. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.